Let us start editing our presentation, which we created, and look at a few editing features. So we are going to start with what is called a master slide. Master slide is used to create features which want to appear on every slide. We are going to create uniform features which want to appear on every slide. It's like a watermark in Microsoft Word. So whatever formatting which you want to be the same on each and every slide, we use what we call a master slide. So to access master slide, you click on the View tab. Under the View tab, you are going to see Slide Master. So when you click on Slide Master, there is a tendency for the computer to begin with this slide, but you have to scroll up until when you see this first number one slide up on the top. So that is the Slide Master. So whatever we are going to do on this slide is going to appear on every slide. Say, for example, I want to put a logo for Kawuma University here. So I'm going to go to Insert, Pictures. So I'm going to look for a logo for Kawuma University. This is a logo. So I say Insert. Now this logo is going to appear on each and every slide, but in the middle, because I put it in the middle. Let me just put it on the right hand side here. So it will appear on each and every. Then I'm going to style also the heading bar where we put our titles. I'm going to style it using under the Home tab. I'm going to use the font. So I want it in Arial black. I'm going to give it size 48. Ready. Let me format the shape and I fill it with dark blue color. And then the text inside. Oh, these are Microsoft Word features. So the text inside, I'm going to make it white. Now this logo here, let me change it and I put it here so that it is well visible. Okay. Now let us go back to our work. So to close the master slide, you click on Slide Master. Then it's going to bring Close Master View. So when I click Close Master View, I'll go back. So as you see, all of my titles and every slide, as you can see, all my titles and you can see on each and every slide I have Kawuma University. Also, I can use a master slide to put a footer. So if I go back to View, then Slide Master. So when I go back to the master slide, I have the footer there. So I can choose to put my names in the footer. Put a Musoke Mati, the footer, and I'm going to say Close Master Slide. So here, you'll not be able to see those names in the footer, but when you run the slides, you'll be able to see them. So how do we run our slides? So to run our slides, we have two ways. You can either come down here and click on this button which says Slide Show, or you can click on slideshow up here on the menu bar. Under slideshow, you click from beginning. So their slides are going to show. And when you click the mouse, it takes you to another slide. As you click the mouse, you go to another slide. So this is now manual way of doing it. You can do more editing on your slides. Like I may choose to add a picture here. So if I come to insert pictures, I'm going to choose from this device. So I'm going to look for any picture. So I can insert a picture. I can use Microsoft Word features, edit a picture, as you can see. So it's good always when you're using presentation to put pictures, because pictures speak more than words. When you put a picture, it will hold a lot of meaning than just explaining words. I can also put a table. So I'm going to put a table here. So when I come to insert tables, this is still like the same as in Microsoft Word. So insert a table, number of rows. I want 3 rows, 3 columns, and 5 rows. Then I say OK. So I have the table inserted. Go press my table there, and I can put data inside the table. So as you can see, all of these are Microsoft Word features which we used already, but just a matter of getting them to work. You can also use shapes. In either through the home button, you have shapes there, or you can come to insert, again you have shapes. So you can use any shape you want. The same as we use them in Microsoft Word. To edit the shape, again you go to shape format, you have shape fill, you have shape outline. All of these are Microsoft Word features. There's nothing new to learn here. So you can make your slides look more presentable using different features of Microsoft Word. Under insert, you can insert pictures, you can insert tables, you can insert shapes, you can insert smart art. Let me put another slide here. So you can also use these shortcuts here. This one will insert a picture. Then this one is going, you put smart art, graphs, a chart will take you to Excel. You can insert a table, you can insert a video and 3D model. So, but I can delete this if I don't like it. I delete it. Then I'm going to insert a smart art, shape, hierarchies. So you can insert a shape. Then you can fill in the shape, just what we did in Microsoft Word. From here, everything's the same as Microsoft Word. Okay. Always go back and run your slides by going to slideshow. Then you run your slides and you see how your slide, the changes you have made in your slides, and how they will appear. Okay, let's wait for another video when we add more features of the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation.